Hi, my name is Svetlana. I'm an Edinburgh-based artist and I usually work on projects which focus on people, nature and heritage. For the Tillydrone Gateway Feature, I propose to create an artwork in two parts, one part representing people and the other representing nature. What struck me immediately when I first came to Tillydrone was its unique combination of an urban environment with the natural landscape. The workshops which I then carried out as part of the project, with adults and children in the local community, confirmed that this was one of the things that made the series so special, and that the nature and wildlife around the River Don is particularly cherished by the people that live here. This artwork symbolises this relationship between the natural and the human built. The other very important aspect of Tillydrone is the people themselves, and the strong sense of community here. It became clear during the workshops that being able to spend time together and support each other was enormously valued by the locals. The human head sculpture therefore represents the people and the community. It also celebrates human achievements by displaying selected elements of local heritage and architecture through motifs imprinted into the surface of the sculpture. These have all been inspired by the drawings, photographs and dialogues contributed as part of the workshops which I carried out. The idea of creating an animal sculpture was inspired by the many wonderful creations made by the local school pupils, all based on local wildlife. The idea of a kingfisher came from one amazing little sculpture in particular, made by a pupil at Riverbank Primary, which caught my imagination and felt like an appropriate animal to showcase the beauty and vibrance of the natural landscape and to represent the importance of the river as a habitat. The kingfisher is embossed with other elements of local wildlife, which are cherished most by the locals based on the results of the workshops. Both sculptures will have the shape of the dawn on them to indicate the dependence of the humans and wildlife on the river, to highlight the river as the anchor of both to this particular place and as the thing that ties them to each other. The head and the bird will sit at opposite sides of the road, facing each other as if in conversation. Made in the same faceted style, but out of different materials, the head out of silver galvanized steel and the bird out of a coloured concrete-like material. On a local level, the artwork is about everything that makes Tillydrone unique and special, and on a grander scale, it is about our human relationship with the natural world.